Come along, Agnes.
Do we have much farther to go? I don't think so.
I don't remember it looking like this last year.
Maybe we're lost. Barney? 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 Barney?
Look what I found! That way!
There is no that way.
Oh, I think there is. Beautiful house.
Jumpin' Jaybirds, looks like we have company calling. Hello, I remember you. You're, Abby. And you're Toadie.
Cody.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
And this is my friend Marcella.
I'm Xander.
Pleased to meet you, Marcella.
Ditto, Miss Goldfinch. And this is our personal
Oh,
friend.
wait, don't tell me. A purple-plumed Peruvian parrot.
No?
Miss Goldfinch, Barney's a dinosaur. Yeah.
If you two are about done, I have a question about an egg.
Ouch. I'd hate to be the bird who laid that egg.
I found it over at my grandparents' farm.
I'm not sure what kind of egg this is. We'll have to bring it inside my house to check it out.
Ooh, okay. Oh.
Wow. Oh, it's an elevator.
It's great.
Where'd all the birds come from? People from all over the world send her birds that are sick.
And once I help them get well, most of them want to stay. I tell you, I buy birdseed by the barrel.
Thank you.
How you doing today, Miss Goldfinch?
Hey, Mr. Millet! He owns birdseed by the barrel. He's making his weekly delivery.